You found one? Oh, is there something inside? What is it? All right, dump it in your basket. You can just leave the egg on the table.
Okay.
See if you can find some more. Oh, uh-oh. Be careful with that one. Bring it over here. Open it over your basket in case they fall out. Sounds like a lot. Maybe it's M&M's. What is it?
Jelly beans.
Oh, your favorite.
Yum, yum.
Mmm. M&M's?
More jelly beans.
Oh, man. All right, that's three eggs. You found two? Oh no, one of them's your car. Oh man.
More jelly beans.
Let me have one.
Okay. No. Blue.
Thank you. Mmm. Mmm.
Hey. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Chocolate. Oh yeah.